So this is the HTML code. But how we can write PHP code inside that PHP file? Let's remove all this HTML code and write here PHP syntax. What is the PHP syntax? First we have PHP text. Every PHP script will start with less than sign, question mark, and PHP, and end with the question mark, greater than sign. Inside this tag, you can write the PHP code. You can write here echo. Echo is working like we have in JavaScript console.log method. Or in Java, we have system.out.println. For PHP, we have many ecosystems. But now I want to use the ecosystem. And pass here GFT. It means just for test. In PHP, every line is a statement. And this should be end with the semicolon. Save the changes and refresh the page. GFT. Our PHP code is working as expected. But sometimes we can skip this part. Let me check this. Is it working or no? Save and refresh. Yeah, it's working. But if you are writing HTML code after this PHP code, you must be put here this tag. Let me check this. If I write here h1 just for test, save the changes. Look at this. We have syntax error, unexpected token. This. What does it mean? We should put here question mark and greater than sign. Then save. Yeah, the error is gone. We don't have any error right now. Refresh the page. We have just for test. Sorry, this is for. It's not for, it's for. Save and refresh. Right? But sometime we will have a value like we have here echo, but I want to create here a variable. You can create a variable with $sign. Don't think about the creation of variable in PHP. I will explain this later. Just remember we can create a variable with the $sign, or this is the variable name and then equal to, maybe we will have 20, or maybe we will have GFT. I mean, maybe this will be text, but I want to pass here 100 value. And then we should put here semicolon. But I want to show this value with the value text, and here we should have var variable. Let me check this, save and refresh the page. We have a $sign var as a string, but we should have this as a variable. I mean, here we should have 100. What we should do? We can contain $sign var inside PHP syntax. I mean this, and then put this variable right here. Save the changes and refresh the page. We don't have variable. Why? Because we have two PHP syntax. If you are using this syntax like less than sign, question mark, then PHP and close this tag, you should be right here echo. Save and refresh. Yeah, now it is working. In another syntax which we can use for single line, you can remove echo and you can use just an equal sign instead of PHP. Save the changes and refresh the page. It's still working. Let me check. I want to change this to 120, and then refresh. Look at this, we have 120.